Hey guys, Josie here, back at Koala-Tee Performance. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and start on the heater box. I've already got the old heater core out, and Steve's already got it all padded up and installed on the box. We're working on the evaporator next. We've already got the new one right here. And as you can see, it's all fresh and shiny. I'm sure the old one will look fresh and shiny too, but at least we know this one's leak-free. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get at it. Hey guys, Josie here, back at Koala-Tee Performance. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the 87. If you step inside the interior here, you can see Scuba Steve and I, we got the entire heater box rebuilt, installed, dash bar, electrical connections, all that good stuff. There's not much left to do. We got the front end pretty much taken care of, aside from little wiring repairs here and there, but other than that, it's coming along. I think we'll be able to meet our deadline. Aside from the engine, we're still waiting on the crank and the head, as you know. But we'll see when it gets here. We'll see what we can do. But I think tomorrow I'm going to take you guys along with me and do a full install on the interior. I hope you like the footage, but just let us know. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram, Koala-Tee Performance. We'll see you for the next one, guys. Peace. Hey guys, Josie back here, Koala-Tee Performance. Huh? Don't worry about why I'm holding the heater box. This is a special part, man. It's close to my heart. Anyway.